He is a retired Russian professional mixed martial artist. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest fighters in the mixed martial arts history. He is a devout Sunni Muslim. He married Patty Mate in June 2013. The pair celebrates their wedding anniversary and had their first child, a daughter, on June 1st, 2015. His father and longtime trainer, Abdul Manap, his father died on 3rd July 2020 at a clinic in the Moscow at age of 57. He has a daughter born 1st June 2015 and a son born 30 December 2017. His son was named Magom after Khabib's great-grandfather. His brother he had a third child, a second son, on 22nd December 2019. He has a cousin who fellow UFC fighter Abu Bakr. He and his younger brother Abu Bakr he has a net worth of $9 million. He was born on September 20, 1988. He is the second of three children, including the older brother Magom and the younger sister Amina. His father's family had moved from the Sildi to Kirovol, where his father converted the ground floor of their two-story building into gym. He grew up in the household with his siblings and cousins. His interest in martial arts began when watching students training at the gym. As is common with many children in Dagestan, he began wrestling from an early age. He started at age of 8 under his father. A decorated athlete and a veteran of army, his father had also wrestled from an early age before undergoing training in the judo and the sambo in the military. His training as a child included the wrestling a bear by the time he was 9 years old in 1997. In 2001, his family moved to Mechichikal, where he trained in the wrestling at age 12 and judo from age 15. He began training at Combat Sambo again at 70 under his father. He married in June 2013. He has a daughter and a son. He speaks several languages, including Dagestani, Russian, English, Turkish, and Arabic. He frequently wear a paprika hat, part of his Destiny aware culture, after fighting and during promotions. He is a fan of Anzi and Real Madrid football club as well as Russian national football team. Following the lightweight championship fight against Conor on October 6, 2018 at UFC 229, he and his wife lived with his parents when he is back home in Russia. His father was not granted a visa to see his son's fight with Conor in UFC 229. He notably competed in the lightweight division of the UFC, where he is longest reigning UFC lightweight champion, having held the title since April 2018. With 29 wins and no losses, he retired with an undefeated record. As of 25th October 2020, he is ranked 2 in the UFC men's pound for the pound rankings. As of 26 October 2020, Fight Metrics rank him number 1 lightweight of all time. Style of grappling has made him one of the most dominant athletes in the history of MMA. A two-time combat Sambo world champion, he is trained in the Sambo, Judo and wrestling. His father was a senior coach for the combat Sambo National. As of October 2020, he is the most followed Russian celebrity on Instagram.